Well, I guess you had a fair warning. Just for the grossness factor, an even closer close-up. And I know there are a lot of tips and tricks out there on the internet and on YouTube how to clean your keyboard. For example, with some sticky putty. But in extreme cases like this, I like to fall back to an old proven method that is viewed nowadays by most people as, well, inhumane. I will now demonstrate how to convince a keyboard to give up its dirt. Okay, we know you have a whole lot of dirt on you. So either you give it up by your own devices, or we can do it the hard way. What will it be? Huh? Okay, that's your choice. Let's see how you like that. Giving it up? Still not giving it up? Okay, you are a tough guy, but we can do better. How about some hot water? Just to soften you up a little, huh? Still not? Okay. Hard brush, hot water. See? Not so tough after all, are you? That's even too hot for me. Nah, that wasn't so hard, huh? Feels good to come clean, huh? What do you mean? The keyboard is gone. Hey, keyboard. Hey. No, I didn't go too far. Just, let him cough off the water he swallowed. And he will be fine. What the hell have you done to this keyboard? Oh, poor guy. Oh my God. It's full of water everywhere. How have you done that? Did you have some of those enhanced chats with it? Let's see what we can do. By the way, you mentioned it gave up all its dirt. It obviously didn't. So let me see what I can do. Seems that little guy here hold on to some of its dirt after all, huh? Everybody tells you your enhanced techniques don't really work. But no, sometimes I think you're just a sadist. Let's see what we have here. More dirt and more moisture. Okay. Let's clean that up too. Ah, I see. You're a very complex guy with a lot of layers to you, aren't you? Well, I guess we leave that parts of your innards out to dry. You're a regular layer cake, aren't you? Ooh. Well, feeling better? Nice and dry again? Yes? Okay. Let's see if we can put Humpty Dumpty back together again, huh? Yeah, you have to excuse my colleague. He goes sometimes a little bit overboard with his talks. But you understand, you had so much dirt on you. Yeah, I know. Doesn't it feel better to have given up all that dirt now? Yeah, definitely. Definitely. I know. Yeah, everything's fine again, isn't it? So, do you still got all keys after that rough handling? Looks like it. Perfect. So, yeah. Anything bad to say about your treatment here? No? Good. Okay, on a more serious note, this is not the first keyboard I treated that way. Other keyboards were, let's say, easier. If I had known that the different sheets of the key contacts were not sealed and glued together in that Cherry model, I would of course have taken it apart first and just cleaned the keys. In more modern keyboards, these different layers are sealed together so no water can get in. And it's really just, brushing everything off and then drying that, preferably on some radiator in the wintertime, a few days, and you're absolutely fine. My successes in the past with this approach are, of course, in no way a guarantee that it will always work. I mean, it's a rough procedure. Okay. Another remark, maybe noticed that my videos are getting a little bit short lately and off track, less electronics. I'm a little bit pressed for time. Since start of June, Corona is basically work-wise over for me, and I'm currently working more in my real job. Just to remember, YouTube is not my real job. I work in my real job even more than before Corona. But I have another nice electronics tutorial, another interesting, very interesting chip, SPI, Arduino, etc. In the making, and I hope that will be the next video. And with that, I say bye.